Welcome to the session. In this session, we will practice implementing SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition certification exam sample questions. So first, you download question paper and go through it. Like you can see, assign a business role, create a custom business role with a custom launchpad space and page, create teams and responsibilities, create business users, define restrictions for a business role, set up an integration scenario. Data migration, question number 8 and 9, both are similar, like prepare to migrate data and migrate data. It means data migration. And next, validate successful data migration. So 8th, 9th, 10th are one question. Prepare to migrate data, and validate successful data migration. Similarly, 11, 12 is the same question. Copy and edit a standard team automate process and create a test plan. Okay, go through like that. Assign a business role. It means it is saying login into the SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition system with your user credentials and assign BR administrator role. Create a custom business role with custom launchpad space and page. Here it is saying create a custom business role from a template with following information. So template is given. One has to use this template to create the role, and once you will be creating the role, you have to give new business role ID, new business role description, option for launchpad, a space. You have to select create and assign spaces based on a space template. The new space ID you have to provide as per given. Change the access category to unrestricted. Assign the role business process to your business user ID. So here system is there. Okay, you can see system. I have logged into the system. So what to do? Let's go to the administration here. Identity and access management. Okay, maintain business users. Maintain business users. Okay, and my user ID is here. If you see 11, so A 4 times 0 1 1. A 4 times 0 1 1. Let's get started from scratch. Assigned business role. So I am going to remove all these roles. Okay, or if you want to download these roles, so you can download also. Okay. I'll remove and then we'll start from scratch. Sample test paper, you can understand. So just I am removing. This is the basic role given for the test paper. It's all okay. Now come here. You can see many spaces are there. Once you refresh, see, after refresh, only default space is there. Only default space. It is saying maintain business user default space. Other spaces are gone. So we'll start question. So first what to do? Go through the question properly. So third we have already gone through. In third it say create a custom launchpad page. In this exercise you will create a custom page with content and assign to your custom space created in the previous exercise. Create a custom launchpad page with the following information. Page ID is given, title is given, description is given. Enter the following page content for the new launchpad page. So section title, responsibility management and you have to add app in that section. So in this, what we have done, you have to do create the role, custom role, then custom space, and then page. A space must be assigned to the role, and page will be assigned to the space, and content will be added to the page. Now, next question. Create teams and responsibility. So for creating teams and responsibility, manage team and responsibility app. This question is related to third one, because in this question, custom business role is been created. Custom launchpad space and pages are created. And that's why in this you have added app manage teams and responsibility. So this question is subset of previous one. So open that app, write the team name, global ID will be populated automatically, type is dummy, and status enabled. Define responsibility for organization list listed below. So here, dummy plant assign any team members, minimum 2 team members. Assign function to select team members. Assign function to select team members. Save the team by choosing create, navigate back to the page. Create sub-team and manage hierarchy. So same, open manage team and responsibility app in the role of business process specialist. And now name sub-team, global ID dummy enabled, same as previous, assign 2 team members. Choose team members that are not on the super team created in the previous exercise. Assign function to selected team members. Save sub team by choosing create. So these are the questions. Just go through in your own way. Then create business users. So the business users. So these are the users. You have to create the users. Okay. Business users. And then define restrictions for a business role. Earlier, whatever business role is given in the question, that was unrestricted. Here you have to restrict. Okay. Like company code, plant code, you can see company code, bank, country, region, key, purchasing organization is given. So you have to create restricted. Now set up an integration scenario. Question is there. Create a communication user, and then create a communication system, and then create a communication arrangement. Here see, create a communication arrangement. Now it's prepare to migrate data. So you will assign the role listed, then migrate data. It means you will be creating the migration project here. And then this is after download, you will be adding all this data, and then you will be performing the data migration and then validation. Here, copy and edit a standard test automation process. So through this, you will assign this role, VR admin test automation, and then manage your test process. This is the application where you will follow all these steps, and then create a test plan. Subsequently, there is a app test your process application, and given test plan name test process you will create, and provide consent for most upgrade testing by SAP. So this is the all. Now let's start from the beginning. So whenever you are going to give test for certification, first go through the exercise questions carefully, and after that you can start. So let's start from beginning. Okay, here, so access, yes. Now I'm at home page. So here first what you have to do in the home, it is given see default space. Click maintain business users, and first name A 4 times 011, and go. We'll go one by one as per question scenario. Then assign business role. Click on add. Which business role you have to assign? Go to the question. It is saying BR administrator. So assign BR administrator. Just click on search. You can see BR administrator first. Click on apply. Apply means it is added. Now once you will click on cancel means it will from previous page. And now click on save. Go to the home page, click on SAP icon. Now refresh it. Whenever you are assigning role, you have to refresh such that a space related to that role will prompt as a header. So wait for a few seconds. Here you can see only my home and default space. After refresh, you will be able to see header administration. Wait. So it's 3 hour test. We have started around 8:30. Now let's see how much time it will take to complete here. What is happening? Network issue, right? So it is gone. Now access once again, close it, access it, click on access. So it may happen during original exam also, so be careful, be patient. Okay. Now see administration. This space title is coming as a header. Next go to the question. In question we have assigned. Now next create a custom business role. So create a custom business role from a template and assign to your business user. In this exercise, you will create a custom business role from an SAP delivered template and assign the role to your business user. Create custom business role from a template with the following information. Create a custom business role. So what to do? Go to the identity and access management and maintain business roles. Click here. Then as per question scenario, here it is new and create from template. Click on create from template. Now template, business template is given. Now what to do? Open note. Open note. Okay. Now note is there. Always file, save as, download, test. Whatever you are going to copy. See, this is the template. So you copy here. Okay. No space. Okay. Next, new business role. Copy this. Okay. See here space is there. Now 011. 011. New space is there. So you can copy like that. Now I'm going to copy directly to the page. So here template is there. I'm just removing. Okay. Business template. It's freezing. Wait. Whatever the situation, you have to be relaxed because network issue it may happen during exam also. So be careful. You have to be relaxed. This is the template. Select the template, okay? Now, new business role ID. Template BR business process. It is the same. Here you can say template it is coming BR business process SPEC same. What is the difference? Only you have to do underscore and your group number. Okay, like that. Now click enter. Now description. What is the description? Business process specialist. Business process specialist. You can see a space and then space 011. Okay. If you copy here, Control C, Control A, Control V. Now what to do? 011. Description is given. Option for launchpad space it is given. So first what to do? Here option for launchpad space. Select create and assign a space based template. Create and assign a space based template. Okay. New space ID. So new space ID. Which is the new space ID? GBR business process. So this you can delete here automatically whatever it is coming. GBR business process is underscore 011. Okay. So this is a space ID and GBR business process space ID. Now click OK. Now you can see for this role a space is assigned here. Now come to the general data and read the question carefully. Change the access category to unrestricted. So here write read value help no access is there. Select unrestricted. See all these are unrestricted now. Okay. And click on save. Now what to do? Assign the custom role business process to your business user. So come here. Now this is the role. So come to the notepad. Where is our notepad? Paste. So this is the custom role. Custom role is created. Now go here. Click on maintain business user. First name write 8000 here. 011. Go. Select. Click on this arrow. Assign business role. Add. Which business role you are going to assign? This one. Search. Business process specialist. Apply. Then cancel. See, this will prompt and then save. Now click here. Next, read the question carefully. Create a custom launchpad page. Create a custom launchpad page. So, in this exercise, you will create custom page with content and assign to your custom space created in the previous exercise. So, what was the custom space? This is the custom space. Copy it and paste here in Notepad. Zero one. This is custom space. Custom space is your business process. What is saying? Create a custom launchpad page with the following. Now here application is not given. So what you have to do? First you have to select the application for which you can see in administration. In administration you can click on launchpad, then it will come manage launchpad pages and manage launchpad space. So click on manage launchpad page. Okay, click on create. What to create? Copy this, remove the space wherever it is. 011, then title, this is the title. 011, no, not title, this is the title, and this is the description. Remove the space carefully. And this is the page ID. Control C, and in Notepad, page ID. Page ID is there. Now click on create. You can see page is created. Click on edit. Click on edit. Go to the question. Enter the following page content for new launchpad page. Section title, responsibility management. Section title is responsibility management. Click enter. Okay. App manage teams and responsibility. See, if you copy paste, it is given in the question management teams and responsibility. You have to add the here select a catalog, and if you copy paste this and click on search, it will not come here. See, so sometimes you have to deal with question exact app name we have given, but it is not coming. So what to do? Just write teams, because that is the application, and here it is the catalog. See, application name is correct, but here you have to select the catalog. Which catalog? Responsibility management team. Select here. Now once you select the catalog, then you can see the application name manage team and responsibilities. Select and add. You can see now this application is selected, and then save it. Now here no space, not assigned to a space. Come to the space, click on, suppose edit, let's see. Now manage launchpad space. Click on manage launchpad space. Manage launchpad space. Now why we copied on the note? Try to understand. Now you have to select this space here. Search. Now this space is created. Click on pencil icon. And here you have copied page also. So select this page. Click on search. Select and add. And then save. Now we have assigned role to the users. And here page is added to the space. Go to the home page. Let's see. Refresh it. What you can see, business process management, a space tile. And you can see in this business process, in this you can see business process and business event login. All these are the applications. So business process management. Here you have created the system responsibility management. Under this it is coming manage team and responsibilities. Manage team and responsibility. It is created by us. Go to the next question. Assign the custom launchpad page to your custom launchpad space. Done. Now create team and responsibilities. Question is create team and responsibility. Task 1. Create a team. In this exercise, we will create a team that will be granted a specific permissions. Open the Manage Team and Responsibility app. Manage Team and Responsibility app. Open this and then create a new team with information below. Click on Create and then Name. Copy this. Copy this. A space is there here. Just remove 011. Now global ID will be auto populated. It is given. And type dummy. As per question scenario, you can see type dummy and status enabled. It is disabled, but you select enabled. Dummy type I have given new team. Wait. Just I am switching. Now you select enabled. Don't click on create yet. Just scroll down because in question if you see what it is given. Define responsibility for the organizational unit listed below. Dummy plant. Dummy plant. DE plant 1 1010. DE plant 1 1010. Click on OK. This is the dummy plant. Responsibility definition. What is that? Define responsibility. Now assign any team members. Minimum 2. Assign any team members. Come here. Team members. And any two team members. So you can see team members. Assign any two team members. Create. Here you can select any two team members for assigning. Suppose I am taking 0, 0 and this. I'll change later on. Okay. First two I have assigned. Then function. Select both. Here also select both. Okay. Go to the question. Assign functions to selected team members. Save the team by choosing create. Okay. Once you click on create, it will be saved. Team 011 on notepad write. Team 011 is created. Okay. And all in uppercase. Team 011 is created here. Now next. Create a subteam. It is saying go to the home page. Create a subteam. It means select the same application. You can see create a subteam for the team created in the previous exercise with the information below. For that you have to manage team and responsibility app in the role of a business process specialist. So manage team and responsibility, create, name, sub team, delete a space, then 011. Global ID will be populated automatically. Type you have to select a dummy. Yeah, it is given a status give enabled. Status is enabled. No, the responsibility definition and team owners will be copied from the super team. Don't get puzzled if an error message occurs, you will take care of in the subsequent step. Assign any team members. So assign any two team members here, but try to understand. Choose team members that are not on the super team created in the previous exercise. Click on create. First two we have assigned. Now I am taking this second two. Then OK. Click on OK. Then function. Add function. We have added. Here also add function. Add function. This is the subteam. Save the subteam by choosing create and navigate to the manage team and responsibility landing page. Create here. Now team owners. See, team owners are automatically getting fetched here. Okay. Now we have to create business user. Okay. So this is done. Subteam we have created. Subteam 0, 1. Now we are here to solve question number 5. Just refresh it and go to the administration, identity and access management. Next, create business users. Just go through the question. Verify Launchpad space is assigned to business role and assign role to user. In this exercise, you will verify a Launchpad space is assigned to the business role you will use in this exercise. When the spaces and pages, home page is enabled, each business role must have an assigned Launchpad space. Without a Launchpad space, no apps will display on the Launchpad for a user. Verify there is a standard Launchpad space assigned to the business role below and assign the role to your user. Administrator, HR info. We are administrator, HR. This role you have to assign. Download the populate the import file. You will export the employee data template and populate the template with test users. This is how consultants create test users to demonstrate the business process flows, scope items during the fit to a standard workshop. Customers that participated in the workshop will then use these same test users to work through the test processes they saw demonstrated in their workshop. To get familiar with the SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition system, download the employee data file from the Manage Workforce application. Open the template in Microsoft Excel and enter the following user data. Simply replace overwrite any existing sample entity in the Excel template with the subsequent data. Data is given. File name and type when you save. Basic employee data template. This CSV. Use the Manage Workforce application to import the template with the following information: work and work agreement data, okay, and import name test user file, and after that validate. So this is mass user creation simply, okay. So let's go for that. What to do? Click on maintain business users, write your username. This is the username. Click on assigned business roles. Click on add. We are admin. See, this is HR info. HR info, apply it. Click on cancel, click on save. Now go to the home page. Refresh it. Once you refresh, you can see administration HR info. Click. Then you'll see manage workforce. Though it is deprecated, you can use it till 2 years. Okay. Switch to new version, just click. Switch to new version. Now, how to download the template? If you observe the question, it is not given how to download the template. In the question, just it is given download the employee data from the manage workforce application. This is manage workforce application, but here you cannot see download anywhere. Here you click no, you cannot see here. This is a tricky. What to do? Click on import. Then worker and worker agreement basic import. Here also you see the question, there is some gap because in question it is given. What is given in the question? How to download? Just observe. It is saying worker and worker agreement data, your template. So here worker and worker agreement is there, worker and basic import is there. So your template, instead of work, your template, you have to select basic import. And then it is saying here you can see download template. So it's tricky one, download template. Now template is downloaded. Now open file. Open file. See, dummy already data is there. What to do? Remove two column and copy and paste. So here go to the question. It is given E1234 triple hash. E1234 triple hash means your group number. First. Second, E1235 E1235011. Type carefully and read it. E1235 E1235 triple S. Then P manager username is P manager, no space is there, 011. Similarly, C C accountant 01. Take care of correction. C P manager, C accountant 01. This is the same. Control D. Okay. And then blank first name project. First name project. First name for here cost. So better to type. Last name manager. A space and here write 011. Manager. See here, if you observe a space is there or not, go to the notepad. Click see a space is there. Manager. So while maintaining this Excel, you have to take care. Accountant. Here accountant space and then 011. Last name, first name, last name. Now project manager, project full name project manager space 011. Project manager space cost accountant, full name cost accountant 011. Cost accountant 011. Now PM email is PM, not here, right? PM 011 @ company.com, and here CA 011 @ company.com. Now here you have to remove the hyperlink, so just click here and remove hyperlink. Okay, Control S, just save it. Next, this is EN, so just Control D, and here you can see company code 1010. Company code is 1010. Control D. Cost center 1010150. 1010150. Okay. Start date YYY. Start date 2026 YYY. Then MM. This is second month. And then date. Today it's 5th. Right, 05. Okay. Control D for the same. And end date is correct. So Control D, Control S. Now this is not required. So delete this. Control S. So now cancel this. Go to the download. Okay, go to the download. And in question, it is given that file name and type when you save, you have to use this .csv. Okay. Copy it. Right click this 011. So this is what you have saved. Now check the properties. What is this? Open with Excel. What is the properties? We need CSV, right? C.csv. Microsoft Excel, comma separated values .csv type of file. So that is correct because it is given. Uh, Ensure to save it in the comma delimited CSV format. Do not save it in a comma delimited UTF-8 CSV. So that is already okay. So this is saved as per the requirement. Now go to the page. Now it is saying browse. Click on browse. Select this. Open. Now import name. Name is also in the given in the question. Import name. Import test user file. They say import name. Test user file. Remove a space and write 011. Click on import. Click on import and see the message application log. If there is any error, be relaxed and fix it. Okay, fix it, resolve it. This is the information. Five two. See what is saying? Employment successfully updated. Employee successfully created. Uh, this has been processed. So employee is created. Okay. Go back. Go to the home page. Refresh it. Come to the question. Validate business user creation. Maintain business user and you have to check whether it is created or not. Come here. Go to the administration, identity and access management. Maintain business users. It is saying P manager. Let P manager. What is this? Username. Come to the username. P manager 01. Click on go. This is created. Similarly, C accountant. C 011. Click here. See, this is created. So it is verified. Okay. Project manager is saying business role. What is saying? Use the maintain application to search for the following user with the username. Username is there. So once again, you read this carefully. Validate business user creation. You will verify the business users were successfully created during fit to standard workshop. Consultants can follow this process to create test users that correspond to the roles used in each business process test script. You would assign one business role per test user. See, you would assign one business role per test user. Project manager professional services would be assigned to the project manager, professional services business role, to allow consultant to give a clear demonstration of the application and functionality to the role has access to. After the workshop, the customer experts are encouraged to test out scenario. They are demonstrated in the workshop using these same test users in the starter system. So P manager, come here. Okay, P accountant, we are here. Come here. Assigned business role, click on add. What role? Cost accountant overhead. Cost cost accountant. Search here. Cost accountant. This is incorrect. So here write cost accountant overhead. Cost accountant overhead. See, 2 is there, cost accountant overhead. So you assign this one, BR overhead accountant, cost accountant overhead. Apply, cancel, save it. Okay, cost accountant overhead. Similarly, P manager. P manager 011. Go here, select it. Assign business role, yes. Add it. What is there? Project manager, professional services. This one. Project manager, professional services. Project manager, professional services. Project manager, professional services. See this one. Project manager, professional services. Apply, cancel, save. Project manager, professional services. Okay. Now this is done. Question number 5 is completed. Here it is completed. Now next, define restriction for a business role. So it's a 3-hour test. Do you want to take a rest? No, because time limit is there. You have to finish the exam before time limit and you have to click on confirm complete. So don't take rest. You can take a sip of water only. Don't go for tea and coffee. Read the question carefully. Define restrictions for a business role. First, create a business role from a template. You will create a new business role from an existing business role template. Use the maintain business role application. Okay. So first what to do here, make difference, click here. Okay. Now this one, new business role ID. This one select. What is this? New business role ID. 011. This is new business role ID. Better do like that. New business role ID. Description is okay. And new space ID. Come to the new space ID. 011. This is new space ID. Okay. New space ID. Then here page will also come. No, page is not there. That's fine. So here page is not there. So now go to the system, maintain business roles. Click here, create from template. Now template is project manager professional services. Copy this, click on this selection, project manager professional services you have selected. Now new business role BR project manager professional. Then you have to do DE and then underscore 10, sorry, 011, underscore 011. Now come to the description. Project manager professional services, DE, professional services. Better what to do? You copy this just to avoid the gap, and in description control A, control V, and here write 011, 01. What is next? Option for launchpad spaces. You have to select create and assign spaces based on space templates. Now new space ID, you can see GBR project manager professional underscore 011, your group number. Then click enter outside here. Yes. No, this is as it is. Activate IAM apps already. New space ID is this. Now click on OK. So business role, you can see BR project manager professional DE011. This is the business role, and you have assigned a space. This space SAP BR project manager professional a space to this business role. Okay, and no business users is there. First, maintain the restrictions. Come here. Now, what is saying? You will define restriction for the role using parameters related to the organization structure. If you do not restrict data access, a user with a business role assigned will be able to access all data in the applications on their launchpad. It may be necessary to restrict visibility to data for users based on certain parameters. To do this, you must create a business role for each restriction area. For example, Project Manager USA, Project Manager Germany DE, etc. By either creating a custom role and copying a standard role or creating a role from a standard template. You will create a role from a standard template in this exercise. What is saying? Maintain the following restriction for the project manager professional services DE business role. Write read value help restricted. Read value help restricted. Value help restricted. See what you have to do. Go to the general data. Here unrestricted. No, you have to restrict. So click and select restricted. Select restricted, and value help select restricted. Okay, now go to the maintain restrictions. Very important. This step is very crucial, very important. Now restrictions and values. Select restrictions and values. Click on no restrictions, and very careful, don't click any button unknowingly. So here click unrestricted. Do you want to assign unrestricted asset to the undefined field? Yes. Unrestricted is not maintained. Everywhere you will see unrestricted will come. See here, unrestricted. No restrictions is there on any field. No restriction is there on any field. It's a very crucial step. Now go to the restrictions table and select bank, country or region key here. Bank and click on search. Bank, country and region. Click on pencil icon and click on first not maintained here. Not maintained. So it will come not maintained. Then click restricted. Scroll down. Scroll down slowly. Here also slowly. Because you have to select DE. A, B, C, D. Go to the question. Bank, country, region key DE. Select DE. Once you select, it will be automatically populated here. Okay. Similarly, click on value help, pencil icon. Not maintained, click first. Do you want to remove all assigned value and mark the field as being left blank intentionally? Yes. It is not maintained. It means there is no restriction. Unrestricted means there is no restriction. Both are similar. Now you have to restrict. Click on restricted and scroll down, and then you have to scroll down here. B, C, C, okay. DE. Select DE, automatically it will be populated. See, it is populated. So it is done. Bank 1 is done. Now what to do? Company code. Click on search. This is the company code. 3 items are there. Write read value help, value help 1010. Click on pencil icon quickly. First click not maintained and then click on restricted. We have to restrict it. Scroll down. Select 1010. Automatically it will be populated. Wait for few seconds. Yes. Now here come. First select not maintained. Yes. Then click restricted. Scroll down. Click 1010. It will be populated. So it is populated. Now click on value help. First click on not maintained. Then click on restricted. Scroll down. 1010. It will be populated. Wait for a few seconds. It is done. So restriction is assigned. Now next. Purchasing organization. Purchasing organization. Click on pencil icon. Not maintained. Yes. Click on restricted. Scroll down. Purchasing organization is also 1010. 1010. Automatically it will populate. Now it is populated. Click on pencil icon. Not maintained first. Click on restricted. Scroll down. Select 1010. It will be populated soon. Yes. Click on pencil icon. not maintained, yes. You have to define the restriction. Scroll down, select 1010, it will be populating. Okay, so now it is done. Now what to do? You have to search all. Just check once whether it is coming or not. Company, click on search. See, it is coming. Restriction is coming. Now click on bank. Search, coming. Restriction is okay. Now purchasing. Purchasing organization, select. See, purchasing organization, ORG. ORG. It is coming. Now you see in purchasing, if you search purchasing document type, it is unrestricted. You have to maintain unrestricted or not maintained. So here there is no option for not maintained in this version, but in new version you can select not maintained for all. But here unrestricted means it is really not maintained, no restriction is there. But if you keep a blank, it means that is not equal as unrestricted. So always select either unrestricted or not maintained. Okay, so this is done. Now go back, save it. But you have to assign the business users. Okay, go to the question, assign the new business role to business user. Come here, what is add here? First name, I think 8000011, A 4 times 01, I can say. There is no go button, just enter on keyboard. Then it will come. Select, apply, apply. Wait for few seconds. It is applied. Okay, 0 1. It is applied. Now cancel it. You can see it is business role. Now save it. So created a custom role and assign launchpad space, maintain restrictions, and assign to the users. So this custom role is assigned to the user. Now authorization is up. Go to the home and refresh it. See what spaces is coming. Whatever space we have created, title of that space will prompts as a header. So you can see which is the header, business project management professional service. Project management professional service. This was already there. So this is what newly we have created. This is this one. Project management. What was our space? Okay. Project manager. This was the space, right? Let's check the space. Go to the my home. Administration. Go to the launchpad. Space. Let's check this space. Search. Okay, this was the different space, right? This was the different space. I want to check this header title. Header title, where to check? Come here. Okay, this is the space. Okay, header title, I want to search. Go to the launchpad space. 011, search, select. See what I want to search. Title, you can see Project Management Professional Services. Project Management Professional Services. Go to the home page. Project Management. This is the title of a space prompts as a header. Okay. Now administration, identity and access management. So this is completed. Now next, set up an integration scenario. Set up an integration scenario. Set up an integration scenario. So here you have to use three application. Communication, if you use communication management, go. Communication arrangement, communication system, maintain communication users. All three application we are to use. Maintain communication users, click and go. Training system access. Task 1, task 2. So task 1, access the SAP best practices for the situation handling. Integration, you will access and download the SAP best practices setup instruction for the situation handling. This. Navigate to SAP Process Navigator and download the setup instruction to complete the situation handling. 3.1 integration. Okay, link will be given in the question. Once you will click, it will go to the situation handling. Now create a communication user. So it is saying you will complete the first step of setting up a communication arrangement in S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition, which is to create a communication user that defines the authentication for communication arrangement. Use the maintain communication users. So maintain communication user, click on new. Now user data is this communication user. You can write here just, and here you 011. A space should be not there. Delete a space, 011. Take care of a space all the time. Then description, integration user and with 3 hash. Come here, description, remove a space, 011. Open starting, there is no space, just cross check, no space is there. Now password, proposed password, okay. Now anything else? No. So use the maintain communication user to create new user for the following information. Now click on create. So communication user is created. Com user 011. This is the communication user. Go to the notepad. This is the communication user. Communication user, okay. Next, create a communication system. In this exercise, you will create a communication system and attach the communication user to the system for authentication. The communication system will then be used in the final communication arrangement. Use the communication system application. So go to the home page, administration, communication arrangement, click on communication system. Click on new and then system ID. You can see system ID is here. Control C, system ID. 011, then create. This is the system ID. Check there is no space, right? No space. No space. Now system ID. System name, communication system for situation handling. Why we are creating? For situation handling. Control A, Control V, space removal 011. System name. Enter the following information for the communication system and shape. Host name. Host name here dummy because it is test scenario. Otherwise, you can give the correct host name. Now, user for inbound communication. Select your communication user created in the previous assignment. So scroll down. You will see user here. General, it is okay. User for inbound communication, come here. User for inbound communication. Username. Username. Do one thing. Come here and communication user underscore 011 and click on search. It is coming. What is description integration user flow situation handling 011? Select it. Select it. User for in the now. Click on OK. Click on OK. So this is selected. Now save it because other things are not given here. Communication arrangement will do it next. Communication system is created. Just copy it for the safety purpose and come here. Communication system is created. Now go to the home page. Communication arrangement. Click on communication arrangement. Go to the question. You can see communication arrangement here. Communication arrangement. You will create the communication arrangement to activate the integration for the situation handling 31 and scope item. Use the communication arrangement application to create a new user with the following information. So here scenario you can see. This is the scenario. Come here, click on new and then scenario. Paste here, search here. Scenario is not coming in the situation. Okay. Once again, search C. Business situation integration. Situation, business situation. Business situation integration. SPCM 0345. So see, carefully you have to select. Scenario, what is that? Business situation. Once again, copy. Search business situation. See, 3 business situation is coming. Integration, data integration, recommendation integration. Now 0345. 0345. Select this. And arrangement name. Triple hash is your user number. Okay. So Control A, Control V. Triple hash is user number. I do. Now click on create. Communication arrangement is getting created here, and then we'll fill the data. Now communication system. Okay. What is saying? Enter the following information for the communication arrangement and save. Communication system. Whatever we have created. Come here. Communication system. What was the communication system? From COMM system and group number 011. Select it. Communication system is selected. Go to the question. No need to hurry. Be relaxed. Read carefully and then try to resolve the issue. Try to find the solution. Enter the following information for the communication arrangement and save. Communication system. Okay. Delete the communication arrangement. Now here see. Save it. You can see service it is already getting populated. Or save it. Activation was successful. Okay. Now come back. Communication arrangement. What was the communication arrangement? Arrangement name. So 011, right? New arrangement. Suppose 011. Let's see. Go. Go. This is now this can be deleted here. So once you will delete, this question is completed. Now 8, 9 and 10. 8, 9 and 10. You can see 8, 9 and 10 is one question, that is data migration. Data migration. 8, 9, 10. So my suggestion is data migration question perform in the last, because there might be error due to connectivity. Okay, so before that, let's solve exercise 11, copy and edit a standard test automation. Go through this for a minute. Okay, then we'll come to the data migration. So in this exercise, what we have to do, copy and edit a standard test automate process. In this, you have to assign this rule, admin test automation. Verify launchpad space is assigned to business role and assign role to user. In this exercise, you will verify launchpad space is assigned to the business role you will use in this exercise. When the space and pages home page is enabled, each business role must have an assigned launchpad space. Without launchpad space, no apps will display on the launchpad for a user. Verify there is a standard launchpad assigned to the business role below and assign the role to your user. So go to the system. Go to the system. Verify there is a standard launchpad assigned to the business role. So first business role check. Administration, identity and access management, maintain business role, BR admin test automation. Copy this. BR admin test automation. Enter it. Business role ID, yes, here. Go and check if space is assigned or not. So always remember this. Launchpad space will start with SAP. SAP BR, you can see SAP BR admin test automation. Role name is BR admin test automation and prefix is SAP, then it is the space. So it is saying this space must be assigned. If not, then you have to assign. Simplicity. So by checking, it is verified. Okay. Once again, verify there is a standard launchpad space assigned to the business role below and assign the role to your user. Now, go to the home page, maintain business users, user first name, 4 times 3 times 0 1 1 or go, then select it, assign business roles, edit, what to assign, automation, automation, and search. Here, admin test automation, we are admin test automation, you can see. Apply, cancel, save. Now go to the home page and refresh it wherever you are assigning any role to the user. Then advise user to refresh page to see the space title as a header. Click on more. Okay, here automated testing. Click on automated testing. Now we will use manage your test. Manage your test process. We'll use manage test plans to application in this exercise. Click on manage your test process. Okay. Now go to the question carefully. Open the manage your test process application. Make a copy of time recording IQ4. Here type time recording. Don't copy paste because if you copy paste it will not prompt. See here. Time recording. Copy paste. All the time it will not come. No data is there. So what to do? Delete this. Search it. Scroll slowly. Time recording IQ4. Yeah, scroll down, search it. See, time recording is standard. It is coming now. Can you see? Time recording IQ4. So what is saying? Make copy of this test process and save time recording and your user number. Copy this and go to the notepad. Go to the notepad. Time recording 011. Time recording. Okay. See, here come. You have to copy this. Click on copy. Process name time recording 011. We are going to save it. So now time recording 011 is saved. Now what we have to do? Add process step time recording through manage my time sheet. Below the original process step, record actual working time. See, record actual working time is there. Now you have to add one more process step. How to do it? Click on edit and select this. Once you will select, it will come add below, then add UI step. Now click this. Now read the question. Here there is a gap. Add the process step time recording through manage my time sheet. If you will try to search this step, it will not come. See, it will not come here if you search. Nothing is like that. So how to get right time recording? Time recording. Click on search and then scroll down. You will find time recording project based services. And now if you see time recording through manage my time sheet, it will come. Okay. Now it will come. Next what to do? Click this second one. Now change a type. Here type is a standard. We need custom. Go to the question. Convert the standard process step time recording through manage my timesheet to a custom process step. So change a type. What is saying? Converting a process step from a standard to custom might need your attention if there are any changes in the application used by this process step in current or further release. Okay. So this is the custom. Done. Next, change the visibility to be visible in the test plan. Select this and change the visibility. It is coming? No. So how to do that? First save it. Now here click on change visibility. Now visible in test plan. Test process can be added to a test plan. Visible in test plan you can see. So we have created time recording 011 by copying the standard time recording IQ4. Done. Now create a test plan. Go to the home page, manage test plans. You can see two divisions are there. Customer test. So you are here at customer test. Now click here plus icon, add a test plan. What is the test plan? Open the test your process application, create a new test plan with the following information. Adapted time recording. Adapted time recording. See, this is the test plan name. Select test plan name. Remove a space and then 01 group number and click on save. Once you click on save, select at least one process it is saying. So what process? Created in previous exercise, time recording 011. Test process. We have created test process 011. Search it. Select it and then save it. So test plan is ready. Adapted time recording test 011. It is ready now. Now what to do? Provide consent for post upgrade testing by SAP. It is saying this exercise is to demonstrate how to provide consent for post upgrade testing if a customer chooses to use this service from SAP in their quality system. Post upgrade testing is only available for live customers and is done for a limited set of S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition processes. Test cases are selected based on a customer's active standard business process, scope items, availability of data, and the apps covered by the test. Post-upgrade testing can only be done for standard processes, meaning no extensions were made to the processes or apps within the process flow. All test plans created as part of the post-upgrade test are system-generated test plans and are executed once by SAP each quarter. The data needed to run post-upgrade test plan is read automatically in the customer's quality system. Result of executed test plans are visible in the analyze automated test results application and the test your process application. Post-upgrade test plan can also be copied and be executed further by the customers if needed. Open test your process application. Test your process application, we are already there. Provide consent for post upgrade test. So how to provide the consent? Click on post upgrade test here. Okay, post upgrade test. Okay, post upgrade test. Okay, this is the adapted recording, right? Adapted time recording. Once copy and paste here and search. See, no data is there. So what to do? In custom test only, you search, we will be at the same page. Adapted time recording test 011. This is here. Now Click on post update test. Post update test here, and then click on this icon. Okay, already consent is updated here because it is a test environment. Okay, otherwise you will select and you will click here, so consent will be ready. So this exercise is done. This is so in this only one exercise is left. What is that? Data migration. Data migration is left, and it is 10:04. We started around, I think, 8:30. Okay, so in 2 hours we have completed n-1 question. Only one question is pending. Now let's go for data migration. In data migration, it is saying prepare data, migrate data, validate data. Okay. Prepare, migrate, and validate. Data migration. Let's work on data migration. So in data migration, one template is needed. Okay. If there is no template, that data cannot be migrated. Template is required to migrate the data. So first you read it carefully, okay? Then we'll go. Yeah, read it carefully. What is to be done? In this exercise, you will assign the role required to access the app used to migrate data to S/4HANA Cloud. Assign the business role below to your data. Business role is configuration expert data migration. Okay. Configuration expert data migration. This role one has to assign. I'm just holding such that you can read carefully. It's very, very important. Data migration. Business role template required for migration. Assign additional role to user for migration data. You have just discovered you need the cache manager business role assigned to your user in additional to the data migration configuration expert to successfully migrate the data. In this exercise, you will assign the cache manager role to your user. So two roles you have to assign. Come here, go to the home page. Okay, and then administration, identity and access management, maintain business users, select the user ID 00011, go here, assignment here you have to do, add. What you have to add? One is br config. Just search it, you will get here. br config expert data migration. Apply, cancel. It is coming here. Yes. One more, add cache manager. CASH cache. Select here. The cache manager. We are cache manager. Apply here. Cancel here. In some, it might be any role, then you can assign according to the question. Save it. Saved. Changes were saved. Go to the home page. and refresh it. Then you have to refresh it such that data migration cockpit will come. So data migration is coming. Go to the more. Now click on data migration. Then manage migration cockpit. Manage your data. Okay. Now click on create because and select migrate data using staging tables. To migration, first you have to create migration project. First what you have to create? Migration project. Come here. Now migrate data. Create new migration. Migration project migrate bank data. This project create migration 011 migrate data. Then local S/4HANA database schema, that is okay. Click enter, then it will come. Step 2. Select step 2. Migration object bank. Bank. Select it. See the question. A mass transfer ID, pre-populated database connection, local S/4HANA database schema. Copy the bank migration object to migrate bank data project. Okay. Now here see. A predecessor is not given. If predecessor is given, then while migrating the data, first you have to migrate all the predecessors and then only you can migrate the uh, real object. Now select this arrow, select bank, scroll down, click on review, and then what? Click on create project. Click on create project. Create project. So migrate data. See, this is ID 8000011 and flu date is created. Now go here. Migration not started. It will take few seconds. Wait. Then it will come download template. Okay. Meanwhile, let me open first mail ID. Okay. Let's go to the Gmail. And this is our download this. Okay, this is downloaded. Go here. Okay. Bank one. Okay. This. Now see, it is showing download template. But once you will click on download and download XML file, always click download XML file. What is saying? Source data for bank.xml could harm your device. Do you want to keep it anyway? Okay, right, keep. Let's see what is saying. Open file. Source data bank. Source data bank. What does it mean? Source data bank. We'll see. This step you have to take care properly. Source data bank. Open it. See, below is rendering of the page up to first error. The page contains .xml. Okay. So now suppose rename. Mhm. It is like that. .xml. Error on line 255 column this. So this, if you are getting issue in download, because now see upload file is coming. What we have done, we have downloaded template. Let's try once again. Download XML file. Okay. And keep. The file is coming, but we are unable to open this file. We are unable to open. See, you cannot open XML file. Just I will show you how it looks. Okay. So what I am going to delete this, and this file looks like that once you open. Bank master introduction. So you have to take care of bank master. Okay. Bank master. So let's go. Suppose it is downloaded. Press send. Download the bank migration object template. Populate the bank migration template. Open source data. Open source data. So this is source data. After download, name as that. Source data for bank. Come here and just rename it. Source data for bank. Okay, this is, we have to close it. What is saying? Open this, populate this. Save source data for bank XML template, username. It is saying to save like that. See the source data. Come here, rename, Control V. Zero one one. Okay. So this is the source data. .xml. See the properties. Okay. .xlsx. It is not required. You have to convert into what? Open this. Okay. And then edit this first. Keep your time at this stage here. Other stages are easy. Now CN. Bank country region. CN is okay. This 9601, 9602, 9603. And a star. So what I am doing, 9601, 9602, 9603. I have to take, suppose what I will take. Suppose I am taking 999. Here also I am taking 999. Here also I am taking 999. Just I am giving name. Now bank name ICBC China. Bank name is ICBC China, you can see. That is fine. Here a street is fine, house number is fine, city is fine. Okay. International address. Version type I have given, but this is not activated in the test system. So finally it will be not migrated, but if there are n steps in migration, we will be completing n minus 1 steps here for the understanding purpose. So I am saving it. We have filled this. Okay. Now I am canceling this. Go to the download and then uh, open it, file, save as this PC and collect it. XML spreadsheet. Save it. Yes. Now cancel it. Go back. Go here. See source data bank. It is coming. No, what? I don't think this is the correct. We have to convert this into XML. Once again try. File. Save as. And go to XML spreadsheet. What is the destination? Okay, document it is coming. Now go to the download. And in download, we have to go only download, right? Save. Yes. Now it will come in the download. Now cut it. Here see, it is coming now. So data migration, what to do? Click on upload file. Upload file, prepare the file properly. And here you can see upload. Select this, open this. Now see, source data for validation schedule. Error might come, then you have to correct here. All these are the prerequisite for the data migration. See, validation failed. Show message why it is failed. What is saying? Source data for this file name, okay. Expected reference to row 9 in international address version is missing in the seat bank master. International address version is missing. What is in? Error. International address version is missing. International address version is missing. Delete this. Cancel it. Okay. Now international address version is missing. Now you have to delete this. Open this. International address version. Okay. Come here. You can see all these are okay. Version ID is fine. This is fine. This is not there. What we have done? 9601. In bank master you go 9601 triple nine. So at least one you have to give triple nine and control S, save it, delete it. Now once again reopen it. File, save as. So don't be a hurry while preparing data because it is most crucial. Download. Come here. XML spreadsheet. Save. And yes. Now it is been saved. Cancel it. Now see. Go here. Upload. Upload. So 90% work will be uploaded if successful data is ready for the migration. Validation scheduled. Now you can see data successfully transferred to staging tables. So 90% task is completed now. Now what to do? Go back. You can see prepare. Click on prepare. Click on consistency check and click prepare staging tables. Okay. Preparation started. For more information, choose monitoring. So preparation started. You can see table 2 instances 3. Till now no errors, but error will also prompt after some time. You have to be careful while data migration. That's why while solving the exercise in test, I have chosen this exercise at last. Okay. Now it is saying mapping task. Here you can see table 2 instances 3. That is fine. Here error is not there. Activities with error 1 it is coming. Now go to the mapping task. Select all. Click confirm. Click OK. And then refresh display. Then all status will be confirmed. So mapping task step is completed. Go back. Now it is coming simulate. Click on simulate. Start simulation. Now you can see simulate migration started. Till now table 2 instances 3, 0 errors. Successful also 0. After simulation, migrate will come. It means download, upload, prepare, mapping task, simulate, and then migrate. So see, all these are okay. Now once you do migrate, data will be migrated. But how many percentage? It will show after that. Click on migrate. Start migration. Because sometimes what happens, whatever version ID is there, that is not activated in training system. So it will be not migrated 100%. But from the migration perspective, steps are clear. Start migration. Click on OK. Now it will show migration progress. At least 50%, 60% that is okay. If version ID is not activated. Migration data is started. Here see 66.67% is migrated. One error is there. Okay. Go to the monitoring. You see what is the error. Select this. Show message. What is the message? Message for source CN 9601 is see version indicator C is not activated. So version activated indicator is not activated in the training system. So this cannot be completely migrated. But yeah, for training purpose, this is okay. So this is how we have completed all the exercise for certification test perspective. C underscore S4 Cloud Public implementing SAP S4HANA Cloud Public Edition. We have completed the exercise scenario. So whenever you are going for the certification test, please be ready. Practice once, twice, and then give the exam. Thank you for watching.